Today we are going to learn about the Cartesian sign convention. For this we'll draw a spherical mirror. This is a concave mirror. This principal axis will consider as a x-axis. This pole will be the origin, and the perpendicular from the origin to the x-axis is the y-axis. Object is always kept on the left of the mirror on this side. Suppose this is the object kept on the left of the mirror. All the distances parallel to the principal axis are measured from the pole, that is the origin, that is the pole of the mirror, and right of the pole, this is the right side, right of the pole is taken as positive and left of the pole is taken as negative. This is the positive and this is negative. Distances measured vertically upward are positive and downward are negative. U is the object distance. V is the image distance. And F is the focal length. U is object distance, that is the distance of object from the pole, and V is the image distance, that is the distance of the image from the pole. Focal length is the distance between the pole and the focus. As we are keeping the object always on the left side, therefore the U is always negative. The value of U is always negative. Focal length of concave mirror. Focal length for concave mirror is negative, and for the convex mirror it is positive. If we consider the relation between the U, V and F, the formula is 1 upon V plus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. This formula is called the mirror formula. This formula gives the relationship between the V, U and F, and this formula is for all the spherical mirrors and for all positions, for object positions. One more formula we are going to study, the magnification due to spherical mirror. From this formula we'll come to know how large is the image as compared to the object. So the formula is magnification M is equal to H2 upon H1, where H2 is the height of the image, H2 is the height of image, and H1 is the height of object. As the height of the object, H1 is above the principal axis, so it is always positive, but H2 can be positive and negative. For the virtual, that is erect image, it is positive, and for the real inverted image, it is negative. One more formula for the magnification, M is equal to minus V upon U. For this formula the proof is not expected, so from these two formula we can get one more formula, H2 upon H1 is equal to minus V upon. So these are the sign convention for the spherical mirror. The pole is the center, principal axis is the x-axis, perpendicular on the x-axis and the pole is the y-axis. The object is always taken to the left of the mirror, and hence the object distance is always negative because it is on left side. The positive side, right side is the positive, left side is the negative. The upward is positive and downward is the negative. The image distance can be positive or negative depending upon it is on the front, on the left side or on the right side. Focal length is the distance between the pole and the focus. Now we have the object distance u, image distance v, focal length f. The relationship between these three gives the mirror formula. 1 upon v is plus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. One more formula is magnification due to the spherical mirror. So m is equal to h2 upon h1, height of the image, and h2 is the height of the image, h1 is the height of the object. h1 is always positive because it is above the principal axis. h2, depending upon the nature of the image, it will be positive or negative. And this is another formula for the magnification. So from this we will get this relation.